Hey everyone, this is Rajendran here, and in this video we're going to learn about the new feature Action Center with semi-automated feature. So if you are a semi-automated trader, then this video is definitely for you. So in our recent version of OpenAlgo, let me go and show you. So we have this Action Center where you can use this to place any semi-automated orders. Orders will be coming in, it will be queued over here, and you'll be waiting for a manual approval, right? So somebody has to approve it so that the order will be get executed. I'm going to show you a demo here, but before to that, right, so you can also go to the toggle order mode, or you can go to the API key section, where by default you can see that the automated mode is enabled. By default, if you are logging into OpenAlgo for the very first time, you will be in an automated mode. So if you want to switch to a semi-automated mode, you can just simply toggle it, right? And I'll go back to the Action Center. I'm going to show you a small demo over here, right? So by default, all the orders right now, we are in semi-automated mode. So I'm going to show you a demo of it. So if I'm going to send any orders through API or through TradingView or Go Charting or probably Python or AMI Broker, right, or even Excel, the order will be sent through the OpenAlgo and it will be placed in the Action Center. So I'm going to show you a demo here. Let me pull up. For time being, I'm going to use Bruno to demonstrate it, right? I'm going to send an order here. You can see that the order is getting queued and you're getting a notification also, new order queued. You'll be seeing over here, the order is not getting punched. If you could see the order book, there is no order over here. If I approve it, right, so you can see that from pending state, it moves to approved. And also you should be seeing that the order got executed and trades also got executed. And you should be seeing the positions over here. The order is getting positioned at this point in time. So I'll go back to the Action Center. You can also place orders, various different orders you can place. Let's say you can also place a smart order. You can also place an order over here, right? Or you can also send an option order. So here I'm going to send for 25 November 25. At the money call options is what I'm going to place. So let me execute that. And I'm also going to place basket orders as well, right? So I'm going to place an basket order. And as you can see that the Action Center is being placed over here. And also the split order also I'm going to place over here. So all those detailed instructions you can be able to see from the action section, right? So if you want to reject, you have to reject it. Let's say you can also see the multiple orders as well. If you want to reject, you can reject with a reason, right? So it's like not interested, right? So you can say like that, again you can reject it. So I hope this explains, and hope you can try it out. Let me know if there is any thing that you need to learn more about OpenAlgo, right? So I'll see you in at another next video. Thank you.